Okay, so today we're going to be installing the 3D shadow lights projector for the door on the Mercedes-Benz. The courtesy light right there. It's going to be a pretty straightforward removal. We're just going to pop out this light here using one of these two tools. You could either use a hammer or you could just use something as simple as this bottle opener. You just put it in there, you just wedge it out. I want to do it on all sides. So the cover's typically going to come off first, and then you're going to have to wedge this guy out right here. Once you get this out, oh, right there, you can feed it through. And then you just unplug this piece right here by pressing this button and pulling. And then make it really easy for you because there's this little piece right there that goes into this little slot right there. It feeds in perfectly, so you'll just twist it so that way they line up together and you'll see it go in. Once it's plugged in, you'll be able to see where it shines the light on the ground. You just slide it back up in there and press it in firmly and it'll click right back into place. Nice and snug. Mercedes-Benz. This right here will give you an idea of what it looks like in strong lighting. Pretty much daytime type lighting right here. And we'll go get an idea of what it looks like at night outside. This right here gives you an idea of what it looks like at nighttime. So pretty solid lighting here relative to everything else. Inside of the car, door of the car, and there's the Mercedes-Benz on the ground. All in all, that had to be the easiest install I've ever done on a car. Super easy, super affordable. I think the lights were only like 15 bucks for the projectors, and they took me less than 5 minutes to install. I think it was great quality for the price point, and like I said, just super easy overall, just to make the car look cooler. If you enjoy the lights like I did, hit a thumbs up on the video. I got the link in the description for where I got them from, and best of luck to you on the install. Thanks.